Good morning. Happy Vlogmas. My mornings are not glamorous. You know, I usually wake up at like 7:30, and the first thing I do is go pee. Right, Butterball? The next thing I do is I press start on the coffee because I always have it filled the night before and ready to go. And the third thing I do is I sit here and drink coffee. Butterball? She's trying to move the camera. We have some fun holiday decorating today. No, not at my house, but at my sister's work. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. But first, I have my Pilates class at 9 at the Maple Street YMCA. Come here, baby. You want to say hi? Come here. Come say hi. Okay, my cat's like semi-feral. I've been doing shorter meditations recently, maybe like 5-10 minutes. I don't know, just sitting here is really a daily practice of mine in the front room. And I've been bringing my writing book in because some really interesting thoughts have been coming up lately. So let's continue our wake up process. Gotta bring Butterball to the vet. It's a very busy morning. Sun's out. Let's go. Hey Butterball, how you feeling? Come on. All right. Come on, baby. Dan's ready. Look at that. Oh my goodness, you're gonna go to the vet. But before that, Pilates class. Cat first. Oh, I didn't realize how busy of a morning it would be. So I've got to be in class in 20 minutes. But I'm ready for Pilates. I may or may not record a little bit while I'm there, but we'll see. Fit check. Just finished class. All right, guys, just had an amazing Pilates class. We had about 14 people in this morning, so everyone's trying to get it in. We got the booty popping a little bit. So I'm kind of liking that because my dad did not give me a butt growing up. And I actually spy Blair way in the back of the parking lot. So let's go get it. We're gonna move on to the next step of the day, heading to Richland to my sister's store to help her get set up for Christmas. Hey, what do you think of my pants?
I hate them.
I know they're a little bit short, but you know, it's a look. I'm sweating. This is like the literal hottest sweater I could have worn today. She's clean. Come on, Chris, ready? Oh, the glamours of decorating a store for Christmas. Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas 2021. So I decided to do Vlogmas this year because basically I just want to kick in my own butt. And I just want to make a video every day leading into the new year because I'm going to be a lot more consistent with this channel. So if you are indeed new here, this channel is called A Painter's Vlog, and what I cover here is art, travel, living to my fullest liberation, my daily life, ins and outs and all sorts of stuff. So it's kind of a mishmash channel, but very leaning heavily on art, of course, because I'm an oil painter. I'm doing Vlogmas this year, which is, if some of you haven't heard of it, it's 25 days leading up to Christmas, including Christmas. I'm just gonna be taking you guys around. I have some really, really fun, festive ideas. Well, slightly festive. As you can see, I don't really have any Christmas decorations up. I'm not really a Christmas decorator type, but over the course of the month, I'm gonna be recreating some of my family recipes. I'm going to be thrifting. I'm gonna be doing some story times, and overall it's just gonna be a fun vibration. Vlogmas for me is more so just, you know, getting to know you guys a little bit better, letting you get to know me a little bit better. I hope you enjoyed the first day of Vlogmas. I know today was a little scattered, but this is my day-to-day. I just kind of get up and go right at it. Please feel free to like and subscribe to my channel because there's gonna be a whole lot more content coming your way. I'll see you tomorrow.